Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand the drill down combo chart in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI. Click here, click on Get More Visuals. You can get more visuals if you sign in into the Power BI desktop version. So activate this drill down combo. Click on it. Press Add, and this icon will appear on the visuals. You can see here. Now just click on it. So we require the data fields here. So drag and drop year, quarter, month, day. Now we require the series here. So let's pick up the sales. Other series also you can pick up like quantity, profit. Activate the focus mode. So you can see here at present, the graph is according to the years. Now if I do a small click here, it will immediately get converted into quarter one. Again, if I click here, it will get converted into month two. Again, if I click here, it get converted into days. If I want to go back, zoom out, one, two, three. So at present, it is linear model. If I click on it, it will get converted into log. So this was all about drill down combo chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.